Etsy is an American e-commerce platform focusing on handmade craft and unique vintage items. A marketplace featuring tons of artisans from all over the world. Joining and starting a shop on Etsy is free, but there are still some basic selling fees, transaction fee, and payment processing fee. Recently, CJ has finished the integration with the Etsy platform. Etsy sellers now can enjoy all CJ's free services. That's why today we prepared the top 12 FAQs for our Etsy sellers. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In here we share lots of e-commerce tips and dropshipping hacks. If you'd also like to keep up with all these upgrades in a timely fashion, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out. So enough introduction, let's get right into our 12 Q&A now. Question number 1. What can I sell on Etsy? Etsy is an online marketplace that focuses on handmade or vintage goods. According to Etsy's official greetings, Etsy is the global marketplace for unique and creative goods. It is primarily associated with handmade collections, vintage furniture, jewelry, clothing, and holiday items, in addition to crafts and craft supplies. Question number 2. Is dropshipping allowed on Etsy? If you're trying to upload products from store to store randomly, it is forbidden on Etsy. But in terms of Etsy's policy, working with suppliers is fine. It means that you need to claim it in your store's policy that the products are not yours and they are the property of a supplier that you work with. Basically speaking, Etsy doesn't allow you to sell items that you didn't design or manufacture yourself under the handmade category. However, reselling is allowed in the vintage and craft supplies category. Question number 3. What kinds of services that CJ can provide to Etsy sellers? As a capable supplier, CJ is able to provide services as follows in the chart. Free product sourcing, one-click product listing, automatic order fulfillment, no MOQ, fast shipping with reasonable price, bulk purchases service, quality inspection, no membership fee, 24 hours online support, after-sales service, and various add-on featured services. Question number 4. How to use CJ to fulfill orders from the Etsy store? Etsy users can find and purchase products from CJ by connecting the store and products to CJ, which enables CJ to sync the latest order from your Etsy store so you can manage the fulfillment. You can pick the shipping method and place orders on CJ manually or automatically, which is totally up to you. If you choose CJ's POD services to design your products, CJ will find the factory to produce for you first and ship them to our warehouse for inspection and then send the parcels to your end customer. Question number 5. How can I place manual orders from my Etsy store? CJ supports different ways to place orders. You can choose to create manual orders or import orders by Excel or CSV.
Create a manual order. First, click in My CJ and find Dropshipping Center, and click Imported Orders. Here we can choose both My SKU list or all products, and select the ones you need and add them to cart. Import orders by Excel or CSV. First, it's the same. Get into My CJ and find Dropshipping Center. Click Imported Orders, and here click this icon. Import Excel orders effectively, and you can download our template first and fill in the information, and then upload the Excel sheet.
Question number 6. How to post product sourcing requests on CJ? Is this service free? Every user can post sourcing requests on CJ for free.
You can go to Sourcing here and click Post Sourcing Request. Select Store Existing Product or Individual Product and fill in the required information.
Here I want to remind you guys that the target price stands for the price cost that you are willing to pay for your product. The operation is simple and easy. All you need to do next is waiting for us to find the supplier. Usually, the processing time will be within 48 working hours. Question number 7. Can CJ make my sourcing products on the platform only visible for me? Yes, we can help you with it. Products can be divided into 2 types on the CJ marketplace, public and partially visible. When a customer posts a sourcing request for themselves, they will have the privilege to make the product visible to them only. One thing you need to understand is that your sourcing product will be public to all users if you don't have enough orders within 2 weeks. Question number 8. How can I use CJ's POD services? CJ provides featured services like print-on-demand products. You can design and let us produce the unique item. We will find the supplier to print it, pack it up, and ship it out. Go to My CJ, Print on Demand, and click Design, and save it. Then find it in Design Myself and list it. In this way, you can sell the product of your one and only kind. We'll have a comprehensive tutorial about how to use our POD service. Check here to watch. Question number 9. What should I do to fix the failed listing? Here are some regular examples and suggestions for your reference if you fail to list them to Etsy. A. Your Etsy store status in draft. In this case, please ensure that your Etsy store status is active before listing products. B. Language not enrolled. Log into your Etsy admin, go to Settings, Languages, and Translations. Start translating your shop. Manage shop languages and ensure English is added. C. Authorization unavailable due to disconnection of cship app. You will not be able to list products from CJ to your Etsy store if you have disconnected the cship app from your Etsy admin. Please ensure cship is connected. If you have accidentally deleted cship, please reauthorize your store in My CJ Authorization Etsy. D. Exceeding the limit of uploading product images. You can only upload 6 images at most, so please make sure that you do not exceed the limit. Contact your agent for help if the error is still not fixed after trying these methods. We will help you as fast as we can. Question number 10. What kinds of situations may pose a risk to my Etsy account? The possible causes may be included but not limited are as follows. A. Reselling handmade items. If Etsy is in doubt, they might ask you to prove that your item belonged to you, and they might also ask for progressing photos. B. Selling prohibited items.
On Etsy, some products are restricted or prohibited from being sold, such as alcohol, tobacco, medical drugs, weapons, pornography content, hate items, etc.
C. Pending payment of your outstanding balance. If your billing method is refused, your account can be terminated and you still have to pay by some other means. Once you're paid, you'll be reinstated. D. Being associated with another banned account. This can also happen if you log into your shop at a public place or workplace. Somehow, 2 shops logged in under the same IP might trigger Etsy's banning algorithm. E. Selling intangible goods and services. Services are not allowed to be sold unless they provide a tangible item. This doesn't apply to digital products. F. Infringing trademarks. Unauthorized use of trademark can also lead to legal action against the seller. Question number 11. Can I manage my own Etsy shipping? Yes, you can manage your own Etsy shipping, as long as you're following the Etsy shipping policy. You are free to use any shipping method of your choice. At the end of the day, just make sure your buyers receive their shipment. Additionally, communicate accurate order processing times and comply with both local and international customer regulations. Question number 12. How can I ask for support on CJ? There are 5 ways that you can find instructions or contact us directly for help. Number 1. Help Center. Finding tutorials and FAQs about features and services on CJ. Number 2. To get online assistance, you can click the chat room icon on the homepage and talk to CJ agents. Don't worry about the time difference between you and CJ. We arranged 24 hours online agents, so you can get a quick reply in real time. Number 3. Contact us via WhatsApp. And number 4. Send an email to us. Our WhatsApp number and email address will be attached in the description below. And number 5. Submit tickets for support and advice. Okay, that's all for our 12 FAQs for Etsy today. If you have any other questions about Etsy, you are always welcome to drop your question in the comment below, and we'll answer them ASAP. I'm Bella from CJ Dropshipping. Don't forget to give us a thumb up if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time.